everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I will show you special menu for Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all of a mother in the world. I will not show you all the recipe today. I just want to show you all the menu for Mother's Day today, and I hope you like it. Enjoy to watch this video, and please subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to give me a feedback on the comment column. And thank you for watching. Before I would like to say thank you first to the City Life Church. I got this especially Mother's Day today, so and I get also the present, of course, the present from my beloved child of daughter and my husband. Okay, and now I will show you all the menu. Thank you for watching. Ooh, surprise. Let's start with the breakfast. This is the breakfast. The breakfast for my family. In Netherlands, rozenbrood, rozenbrood, like this. With little bit croissant. Delicious. Oh, nice present. Oh, I love it. Thank you, my sweetheart. No problem. This for the aperitif, yeah. This with the cheese, rich of calcium. It's good for your bone. Delicious. Look. This the calamaris. That's made with ink fish. With the squid, I mean, made by squid inside. I fried this with not too much oil. It's not full with oil, so you can still eat delicious food but still healthy. And this fish finger. Yummy, yummy, delicious. Enjoy my meal. Nah, untuk dinnernya, this for the dinner. The menu for my dinner is like this. Complete, Ooh, delicious, healthy healthy pokoknya ya. Delicious, healthy, still on the budget. Look, that is a lamb. Look, lamb with Netherlands language is scap. Look, oh, yummy, delicious. And the potato. This not a mashed potato. This fried potato with little bit oil, because my menu I would like to use just little bit oil, not too much oil, because otherwise it's not good for you, for the health. And this white asparagus. Look, okay, like this. Lekker eten, gezond beleven. Smakelijk eten allemaal. Bon appétit. This is the dessert. This I made by myself. Happy Mom's Day. And this for the dessert, the Mother's Day cake. I made it by myself. Look, made by homemade recipe in Belgium. Delicious, healthy, yummy. Thank you for watching my video today. Hopefully to see you again on my next video. Please subscribe, like, and share. All the feedback, those are welcome on the comment column. Thank you for watching my video today. And if you're interested, please take a look to my other video on my playlist. And please press the bell button, give me a like, and the bell notification to get the new video every time I post. Okay, thank you. Have a great day and happy Mother's Day to all moms in the world. All the bowl, I mean. Thank you. Bye for now.